Hello everyone. In my last webinar, I discussed about the reasons why stamping and body-in-white engineering teams should work closer. With respect to process development, many efforts are placed to anticipate manufacturing issues and reach a stable and repeatable production process. However, in a conventional workflow, stamping and body-in-white engineering departments may have limited interactions. Consequently, in the context of sub-assemblies manufacturing, it's very difficult to foresee issues that may arise during tryouts. We have illustrated this tricky situation through a real customer case in which a sub-assembly could not be properly achieved. The sub-assembly was composed of 4 individual parts, but they could not be well assembled because of a local interference due to holes misalignment. In such a situation, the usual reaction is to look after the dimensional compliance of each individual stamped parts and to review the stamping simulations. But in this case, we came to the conclusion that the root cause was not related to the stamping process under nominal conditions. The assembly simulation was only able to highlight the issue based on real measurement panels. This demonstrates the influence of stamping process variability and explains why differences were observed between the expected stamp geometries and the real ones obtained at the body shop. So, in this story, could the issue be predicted and eventually prevented? The answer is clearly yes. The lack of stamping assembly process design interaction and the lack of process variability and robustness analysis did not allow to foresee the issue. This example is one among the others that perfectly illustrates the benefits of a complete digital approach to support process engineering, both on stamping and assembly side. Now, from the customer's perspective, we see the benefits of bridging stamping and body-in-white engineering teams as soon as possible along the vehicle project. From the initial welding and hemming feasibility studies through a full assembly process validation and all the way to the final process robustness analysis. The implementation of a full digitalization strategy is key to get a robust and zero-failure production of sub-assemblies, to reach tolerance, compliance, and to ensure a good process repeatability. If you wish to have more information about AutoForm solutions for stamping and body-in-white assembly process, feel free to contact me, and you can also take advantage of dedicated resources on our blog, formingworld.com. Thank you very much for your time.